Hello my friend, I'm very happy to be with you right now in another session where we are going to discuss about have and have got in English grammar and use, of course. Have and have got mean possess or own. We often use have got rather than have alone. Bavuze ko have and have got byose bisobanura possess or own. Kandi atubwiye ko icyiza nuko akoresha have got rather than have mu mwanya wa have ubwayo. So you can say I have got new car or I have a new car. Anne have got two sisters or Anne has two sisters. Nukuvuga ngo hano izi ngero tumaze kubona zose zirumvikana, ariko icyiza nuko akoreshamo iriya have got and has got kurusha uko akoresha have and has. I think that you are together there. We use have got or have for illness or pain, etc. Dukoresha have got or have igihe turi kuva ku bintu bijyanye n'uburwayi n'ububabare. For example, I've got a headache or I have a headache. Umutwe uri murandya cyangwa se ndababara umutwe. Nurundi rugero ruri hirya I've got a headache nabyo bivuga ndababara iki umutwe. Ariko tumaze kubona it is more important to use have got rather than have alone. Ni byiza gukoresha have got mu mwanya wa have ubwayo. Are we together? When have mean possess, you cannot use present continuous form, or you cannot use continuous form, which is having or having etc. Example, I have or have got a headache. Not say, my friend, I'm having a headache. Is a mistake. Igihe dufite have ivuga kugira, igihe dufite have ivuga kugira, ntabwo twemerewe gushira muri continuous. Baravuze ngo umutwe uri kundya, ntabwo tuvuga ngo I'm having a headache. I'm having a headache. Ntabwo ibyo byemewe. For the past we use had, usually without got. Iyo dufite interuro irimo have got, has got or have, tugiye kuzishira muri past dukoresha had, ariko iriya got tukayireka, ntabwo tuyongeraho. Birikumvikana? Iyo turi gushira muri past interuro ifite have cyangwa se have got, dushiramo had, ariko iriya got tituyikoresha. Example, Anne had a long fair hair when she was a child. Anne yari afite umusatsi mwiza muremure igihe yari ari iki umwana. Please my friend, don't say Anne had got. That is mistake. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo Anne rap ngo dukoreshemo had twongeremo got. In past question a negative sentence we normally use did. Noneho igihe mu nteruro dufite iri muri past tugiye kuyishira muri interrogative cyangwa se muri negative, dukoresha verb to do, auxiliary to do, ariko kabiri muri past nayo noneho rero. Did they have a car when they were living in London? Ese bari bafite imodoka igihe babaga mu Bwongereza mu murwa mukuru wa London? I didn't have a watch, so I didn't know the time. Ntabwo nari mfite isaha, ariyo mpamvu ntigeze menya igihe. Anne had long fair hair. Did she? Anne yari afite umutsatsi mwiza. Ntiyari awufite? We say have breakfast, have bath, have a wrong time, etc. Have but not have got is also used for many action and experience. Dukoresha urugero hari hasi turavuga ngo have breakfast, have dinner, have a cup of tea, have a cigarette, have bath, have a shower, have a swim, have a rest, have party, have a holiday, have nice time, have an accident, have an experience, have a dream, have a look, have a child, have a baby. Aya ni amagambo agenda akoreshwa aje inyuma ya have, ariko ntabwo tuyakoresha tuvuga ngo have got a breakfast, have got a dinner. Biriya ntabwo ari byo. Ni ukuvuga ngo ari ni amagambo ya expression dukoresha inyuma ya have. Thank you so much, my friend. Goodbye. I hope you have a nice time. Don't say goodbye. I hope you have got a nice time. Biriya ntabwo ari byo. Dukoresha have a nice time, have a dinner, have a shower. Mary had a baby recently. Kuvuga ngo Mary yabyaye mu kanya gashize. Have got is not possible for these experiences. Compare. I usually have a sandwich for my lunch. Have equal to say eat, not have got. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo I usually have got a sandwich for my lunch time. Ntabwo bibaho biriya ni mistake, because yo tuvuze ngo I usually have a sandwich, ni ukuvuga ngo I usually eat a sandwich for a lunch time. Thank you. But I have got some sandwich. Would you like one? Ayo kuvuga ngo I have got some sandwich, ni ukuvuga ngo mfite sandwich. Ese zitandukanye ariko ese wakenera mwimwe? In these expressions, have is like another verb. You can use continuous forms is having or having etc. where suitable. I had postcard for friend this morning. She has on holiday. He is on holiday. I'm sorry. He says he is having a wonderful time, not he has a wonderful time. Avuga ko afite ikarita, a postcard yavuye kuri Fred muri kino gitondo ivuga ko ari mu biruhuko. Yavuze ko yagize cyangwa se afite ibihe byiza cyangwa se ari kugira ibihe byiza. Kubw'iyo mpamvu rero ntabwo tuvuga ngo he has a wonderful time. I think that we are together, my friend. The phone rang while we were having dinner. Telefone yasonye igihe twari turi gufata ibyo kurya. Not while we had. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo igihe twari turi gufata. Thank you so much, my friend. I'm very happy to be with you. And I'm very happy to help you to know English, to know how we use tenses while we are speaking English, and to know where is possible to to use the present perfect, to use present simple, to use the present perfect continuous, and to use the other tenses while you are speaking English. Please, my friend, I call upon everyone to be together, to watch each video and analyze it critically in order to be aware of English grammar in use. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend. Every day I beg you to subscribe because I want your support, to show me that we are together and to show me that what we are discussing about you are interested in it. Thank you so much. We shall meet again when God wishes. Let's call it a day here.